Okay. Let me just read out to the youths what my son sent me when I was driving to this place. And I thought, oh my God, it resonates well with the audience I'm going to be talking to tonight. These are some verses from Proverbs 4, from verse 8. Listen, my son, to your father's instruction, and do not forsake your mother's teaching. If you go Sinamai, you are here because the mind is here. Verse 9 says, actually I say instructions, ababa vako na mai vako ndo chipfeko chikuru chaunofamba wakapfeka chinozoita kuti uve munhu asingafambi achinyepa kuti ndakapoizewa I was beautiful. Verse 10 goes on to say, my son, if sinful men entice you, do not give in to them. If they say, come along with us, let's lie in wait for innocent blood, let's ambush some harmless soul, let's swallow them alive like the grave, and whole like those who go down to the pit. We'll get all sorts of valuable things and fill